Today is going to be a holiday vlog. It's my first holiday vlog of the channel, so I'm excited. Still haven't packed, I haven't got my nails done. Look how bad they look. And I haven't had my waxing or anything, so I really have a day just to turn my life around. My appointment's in 4 minutes and it's like a 5-minute walk, so I'm already late. But I'm going to show you guys like a little bit of holiday prep, a little bit of packing maybe. And we'll see. Today's a good curl day, but I'm in a rush, so I need to go basically. Come back from the nail shop and I went to Westfield as well, and these are the nails I went for. Can you see? They're like French tip, but and I got that pink on my toes, so I think it will look nice. I'm just packing now. I've packed half my suitcase. My room is an absolute mess. But I thought I'd show you some things that I'm packing. Oh, I went to the weekday today and I found this top and I'm obsessed. Let me just show you. So it's like a vest, but at the back it has like 3 ties. I thought this was really cute. Yeah, I love that, and it's like stone colour. I don't really have any tops that are stone. I've got this really cute top from Palma as well, and it's, you've probably seen it on TikTok or something, but it's like that. It's like a one-sided, and then it's like backless. So I think that will look so cute, and I've got this black like mini denim skirt to pair it with. Or denim shorts. I don't know yet. I'll show you guys when I style it on holiday. And then probably my favourite outfit, because I think it looks so cool, is this dress from H&M, and it's like fake denim. It's like that. And it's fake denim. It's given with jean vibes of like the dress design because it has that folded bit. But it's like fake denim. I think that all looks so cute. It's like bodycon, really lightweight. So I think I might wear this with cowboy boots, but my brother said I'll look so extra, so I don't know. We'll see how we feel. Oh, I bought these heels from Primark and they're literally like the perfect little nude heel. Another star of the show. Apparently I'm just loving denim these days. Is this denim corset. So it's like proper denim material, and I'm gonna wear it with my long black Urban Outfitters skirt, I think. So I'm excited to wear this, but I think I'm gonna sweat so much in it because it's really thick material. So hear me out, because I feel like some people either love or hate these shoes. They're from Pull & Bear and they're just like a little, it's just like a wedge. I don't know, but they look really cute on. I'm gonna finish packing and probably see you guys if I carry on packing. I don't know, but I'm gonna pack a speaker, a book. I need to do all my toiletries and stuff, all the boring stuff. So I'm gonna do that, and the next clip might be at the airport. Let's hope everything goes good at the airport.
Hi guys!
We're off to the airport! And just like that, in the car to the airport. But we need to see what's going to happen at the airport. I hope there's no stress.
No cancellation.
I hope we get through easily.
Fingers crossed.
Ah!
Got nails. Oh, did you get your nails in it? No, I didn't.
So we had to wait in the line. And there was no one to check us in for how long was we in that line for? Like 2 hours?
No, an hour though probably.
It was like 2 hours.
No, definitely an hour.
We've all had a bit to eat. I had prep. You had.
I had a burger.
Frankie and Benny's. You're done.
You're done.
You're done.
It was actually quite nice.
So did you. I don't know why you're laughing.
I was laughing at myself because it wasn't the best. Sorry. It's kind of like school dinner. Should we go get some vodka? And then go get a drink?
What
is this angle, Sophia?
I can't put my camera. This is what my whole vlogs are. This is my chin. We're gonna get some vodka for our trip and sneak it in wherever we go.
Sneak it?
And we're going to go to the bar. We're about to go to the bar.
Why are we still not going to the bar?
Yeah.
I think let's go to Dewberry, get the vodka, and then off to the bar.
Our flight has been delayed by how long?
It's now an hour.
An hour. And we've been on this plane for about an hour. I look like I have no hairline. No, please. Please.
Tú sabes bien que Dios permitirá que algún día te pueda abrazar. Lo que sentimos es tan fuerte, solo debemos esperar y la distancia desaparecerá. Lo que sentimos es tan fuerte, no nos debemos preocupar porque algún día.
Maybe they're that busy that they can't get to the phone. I mean, did you see that? Did you see that? That's a scam.
Wait, let's wait till 35 when it says it's going to cut.
Guys, we just want food. What's the time?
2:30.
It's 2:30 in the morning. We ain't got out.
Up from the restaurant. Sorry, it's just stomach.
It's a scam. Can we call Deliveroo?
Maybe, I'm just thinking though, maybe they're just a bit old fashioned and they just don't.
Yeah, maybe they're just busy.
I know, I'm thinking, maybe it's here, maybe it's downstairs.
It's not.
Order number.
Números.
¿Cuánto tiempo será nuestro pedido?
Dirección de la calle.
You'll hear your.
We've got the
eating in
food now.
Beautiful. It wasn't a scam.
It wasn't a scam. See that? It wasn't a scam.
And the Uber driver, or whoever it is, came 3 times to our
Just had the wrong number.
You didn't even tell me that.
Yeah.
Who's had the wrong number?
Aww.
Cool
And you
guy.
didn't throw the food away.
He came back 3 times, so. Fair.
What a lovely guy. Rate the food out of 10.
So, not bad.
No, rate it off a late night munch.
I'm happy with this.
For a late night munch,
This is a good-
this is a 7, 8,
Eight.
yeah.
Well, we've got chicken nuggets.
Mm-hmm.
We've got patatas bravas, so we've got the alioli and the spicy tomato sauce.
Is that tomato sauce?
Yeah, it's like, yeah. It's, I can't remember what it's called. Garlic bread.
This is
not
giving
vegan.
Nando's garlic bread. And we have
Pizza's
some
really good actually.
pizza.
Potatoes are the best.
But we're happy, aren't
We're
we?
happy now. So much happier than the other one.
Emily was in bed.
Obviously she's sleeping, I've woken up for food.
Good morning from Paradise. So we checked in and we're at the hotel. The hotel is so nice. It's actually such a vibe. And like from our view we can literally see the sea. So the beach is there. And this is like the entrance of our hotel. It's so pen. So we're sharing a room. It's literally a mess already, our rooms. I won't even show you because
Oh.
look at No! Love the fit. I love that bikini. Peng. I love how we can see you guys. You're so close but so far. Where are we going today? Let me look. We are going to the Grand Foley Beach Club. I don't know where it is, but... Oh, good.
Hello. I just got sun cream on my bikini, then I wet it, hoping it would dry, and I think I've wet myself now.
Are you not going to wear it?
Yeah, but I'm hoping it dries.
It will dry. The sun will dry. It's so hot already, and it's not even full heat yet. This is the fit. We have Urban Outfitters skirt, Amazon belly chain, mum's old bikini, and just Kelly Herber's CBA.
Can I have a pineapple daiquiri, please? Okay. Thank you. Pineapple daiquiri, please.
We are at, what's this place called?
We are out here at Grand Foley's Beach Club. Absolutely loving life. Live, laugh, love.
Love, love, love. This is the beach club, and then this is Becky,
Tell me when you're ready.
and this is the vibe. Do you like your cocktail then?
Yeah, I do, babe.
This is a very chill holiday, I love it.
So nice. We're going, we've got a few lively things. Like Wellies is going to be lively.
Oh, is
Nikki
it?
Beach
Is it
is gonna
like
be lovely.
a bag of hotel
Yeah.
vibe? Really?
That sort of vibe,
but like dinner then
Yeah.
music. But we got the Aperol spritz out. You got the daiquiri.
Come on.
We're just in the sun living life.
Living life.
And I need to get a nice tan. Katie's not allowed in the sun. Well, she is, but she shouldn't go in the sun.
I'm not allowed because I'm on medication. Medication to make me into a badder bitch than I am.
Oh, guys, I just got a 2-1 in my degree. So, yeah.
You like lemon on that?
Yes.
I don't.
I like lemon on anything.
It's so bad. This is normal highlight and this is black highlight. It's got like squidding in it.
Banana on my plate, I was
Oh wow. Oh wow.
He's at 8, but he doesn't like pale.
Oh, he's definitely a 3. He's a 4. Oh, he's a 4.
Princesa que tenga que luchar con la naturaleza. Tú eres mi bebé, eres la ilusión, eres la canción que está en mi corazón.
It was a long day.
Hi guys, we had a great first day. It's been really sunny. No one's burnt yet. This is the best day so far. It's gonna be the best day.
This is such a good first day.
Such a good first day.
Alright, the cab's here. We got a club called again? Grand Foley.
Grand Foley.
10 out of 10.
I think
would recommend.
Yeah, I'd recommend
10 out of
that.
10.
Actually, 9.5. Come on, let's be realistic.
I'd give it a 9.
No, I can't lie. 10 out of 10.
No, they should turn up the music.
Yeah, if it was more of like a bit of a dance
was
around the
nice.
pool, food was
was nice.
so good. Get the pie
Drinks were
out if you
nice, all the
come.
cocktails were nice.
How much was
actually
our food? It was
think
like £30 each. So,
Yeah.
and we got 2 massive paellas.
£40
£40
each.
each.
Guys, I've eaten. We was on the boat.
We were on
Right
the boat.
there.
Actually, I don't think it's there anymore.
It's not there anymore.
But that was a fantastic time. And we got some rosé as well on the house.
On the house.
That rosé was really nice.
Free drink.
rosé.
On the house.
Is this our cab?
No.
I
So it was
fucking. I'm
absolutely
just loving life right now. But we're gonna go home, get changed,
Shower.
get ready.
Shower.
I'm not even hungry yet, to be honest.
No.
From day to night, because we had such like a long day, we're just going to like the local town near us and just having some dinner and some drinks. But this is the fit. We have the Pull and Bear backless top on, so she's backless, and just some Zara denim shorts. Actually, I need to change shoes, but yeah. I'm gonna leave the camera at home in case we go out because I don't want to smash it or anything.
This is the back of the top, guys. This is the front. It's the shorts, these.
I'm changing the shoes.
Oh, let's not get the shoes in.
The shoes are going to be changed, but yeah. What are you wearing?
Zara, very basic Zara.
You always wear Zara.
Katie's.
And Jacquemus.
And other stories.
Oh, different.
Zara.
Zara.
10 days later.
No, I was going to pretend yesterday didn't happen, guys,
Okay.
because
Let's not talk about it. Sophia was dead.
I had sunstroke, so I didn't want to vlog. But we went to the beach and what else did we do yesterday?
Met your Italian friend.
Oh yeah, we made Italian friends on the beach, and we also went to somewhere called what's the restaurant called? Asiona.
That was nice.
And it was nice, very expensive
Nice
but nice.
views,
And we
yeah,
went clubbing in Palma
We did.
and all that stuff. But you didn't really miss much, so I'm gonna bring my phone there because I just feel like that's the one place where my camera could get smashed. No.
Yeah, and I don't see you putting your camera.
I only bring a
out.
smaller bag as well. What am I wearing? This is from ASOS.
Give us a 12.
This bikini. It's like pink and glittery. And then the skirt is Pull and Bear. They have Amazon belly chain on.
I think I'm shaking.
And these earrings just to like tie the pink and the orange together basically.
Katie literally got me everything.
Yeah.
This is for my birthday.
Dressed
Katie.
by Katie.
She got me this for my birthday. She got me this for my birthday last year.
Oh.
This is my swimsuit, and the shoes are from Zara. Yeah.
These are the outfits.
But
How sure I look next to you.
I look, because these give me height. Look, so this is.
I need to wear a better pair of shoes. Flashing red, it's gonna die.
No. Alright. Bye.
Bye guys.
The chance of tipsiness, with a sprinkle of fun.
And some falling out. We're just on the balcony having praise.
Chauza ishadondoka, kipande rusha kichupa, akili zishaniruka.
Taxi! Messi, I'm not so.